You don't like me. Wild roosters. King of the streets. Got them all cornered. Let's go see if we can get all the way down 7th Avenue one way before this battery, before this memory card runs out. It says we have 11 minutes. Yep, and this thing's gonna make noise. It's gonna squeak. This is a nice little nice little new building they put in here. We're getting close to the beginning of Ybor City's 7th Avenue. I can see the archways. It's within reach. We got a light sprinkle coming down on us. A beautiful Thursday afternoon here in Tampa Bay. I want to thank you for watching, no matter what time it is for you right now, whether it be morning, evening, afternoon, late night, wherever it is for you. Thanks for watching. Look, oh, here's all the nuggets. See all the nuggets? We're close. We're really close to the entrance of 7th Avenue's nightlife district. Check out all the roosters and hens. Uh-oh, one's out there in the middle of the street. Oh no, I can't watch. Okay, he's safe. Hey, get over here with your family. Here's the family. Right on the trolley tracks of all things. Oh, the trolley's coming. This is going to stop. This is going to be interesting. Everybody's getting on the trolley to go downtown. Sparkman Wharf area. Okay, so I think they're going to be smart enough to get out of the way. Yeah, they all got out of the way. There goes the free trolley. It's headed out where I thought I was going, but I might not be going there if I don't have any memory cards. Might be calling this an ended video. We do have enough time though, ladies and gentlemen, to take you to the start of Ybor City's 7th Avenue. It's right over here. We want to make sure we get this on the video. The arch. Ybor City, ladies and gentlemen, that's what it says. All these arches here across here, or there's not arches somewhere, but I'll show you some of them. They got these things that light up across the road. They're not all arches though, or not as nice as this one at least. You'll see them. I'll point it out to you. So now we've done this side of Ybor City. And how much time do we got left, if any? Here's a small place for rent. About the size of a t-shirt shop. Alright, so it says we got 5 minutes left. So I guess we'll have to end this thing right here, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to say thanks for watching. We don't have time to ride that side of the road over there. Back on this particular video. But they got signs all over the place if you wanted to read them all. It tells you about this place. There's another one right there. But folks, I know all good things must come to an end, and so too must this video. It's got to come to an end. We are going to say thank you for watching. Come down here sometime and stay in this hotel room right there. And you got a balcony right there. Overlooks 7th Avenue. The best time to do it, it's going to be the nighttime Gasparilla Parade down 7th Avenue. Matter of fact, that's the only nighttime parade we have now. We used to have 2, but now we only have 1. So thanks for watching. See you all next time.